I do know that the Felts family and a lot of Glen Felts friends in Terlingua think that Tony got away with murder.
A not guilty verdict read at Tony Flint's murder trial has many questioning how the jury came to that decision. Glen Felts was a well-known Terlingua resident and owner of the Kiva bar. In early February of last year, Felts was found dead outside of his bar by one of his employees.
The medical examiner determined that the cause of death was 2 separate skull fractures. Tony Flint admits the 2 were involved in a fight that night, but says when he left the bar, Felts was still alive. Even with these facts, Flint was found not guilty. And that decision has been shocking to many people.
Today, District Attorney Rod Ponton spoke only to CBS 7 about the jury's decision. Lauren Landman has the story. Lauren, what does he have to say about the verdict?
Obviously, he believes that the jury got it wrong on this one. He says it was 7 days worth of a hard-fought trial, and he did everything he could. For the past 15 months, District Attorney Rod Ponton studied and built his case against Tony Flint, claiming he was the one who murdered Glen Felts.
We worked real hard. We presented 30 witnesses, 350 exhibits, 7 days of testimony to the jury.
And in just 3.5 hours, the verdict came down not guilty.
Everyone in the courtroom was surprised, and I think one of the persons most surprised in the courtroom was Tony Flint.
It was shocking for the community as well. CBS 7 viewers took to Facebook, many in disbelief. One woman saying that it was the most shocking verdict she has heard since the Casey Anthony case. Another questioning, how could a prosecutor lose this one? For
some reason, they had some reasonable doubt. Maybe they wanted some more scientific evidence that we weren't able to bring them. And so that's what happened.
The case was what many thought, along with Ponton, would be a slam dunk. But that's not how the jury saw it. Still, Ponton believes he did everything possible to get justice for the Felts family.
The ball wasn't dropped. All the evidence was presented. Everything that could possibly be done was done.
Do you think there's anything different that could have been done in this case on your side?
No. Everything possible that could have been done was done.
In this case, Ponton says there can't be a retrial and the state cannot charge him with anything else. He says now that this case is over, he will focus on his other 5 murder cases he has to try this year. For now, reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Lauren Landman, CBS 7 News.